Good morning. What we're going to do today is we're going to be working on turning in this assignment that you just started. Yesterday, you already did this. You watched this video, 082, the box method, and you hopefully you did this worksheet, the PDF. And now we're going to show you how to turn it in. And where we're going to turn stuff in this year is on OverLeaf. So you're going to click on OverLeaf, this website right here. Click on it. It's going to open in a new page. It's going to look something like this, and you're going to click register, where it says register right here. You're going to click register, and you're going to click register using Google. And I already registered, so mine looks like this. And what you're going to do then is go ahead and, after you've registered for it, go back to the page, click on this link again. You're going to copy this link, and it should take you to a page that looks like this. And this is where you're going to type your answers, where it says your answer right here. This is where you're going to type it. And what you're going to do is hit menu, and you're going to have to hit copy project because the one here is not editable. Hit copy project and save it. Probably save it as 082 with your name. I'm just going to put John Doe, but you should put your own name here and hit copy. And it should load the page. On the way this works here is on the left side, this is where you type. And then what you do here is you click recompile every time you want to see the changes that have happened. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit here so you can see better. So I've zoomed in a little bit on this part. And if you don't want to see all this stuff, you could also hit rich text and it shows you a little bit less of the stuff. And the first thing you're going to do is change the name right here. So we're going to go to Mr. Cam. And you're going to change it to your name. I'm going to write John Doe. And again, right above it right here, it has the instructions. It says delete Mr. Cam and write your name. So put your name right there, whatever your name is, the date. And then you're going to write your answers here. So the first one's done for you. So if you go down here, it gives you a little bit of instructions about how to complete this. Here it is. So the first answer is 4x squared minus 8x minus 6. So what we did here in OverLeaf is we typed in right here 4x squared minus 8x minus 6. However, to write this squared, if you actually click on it, you have to use this caret key in front of it. And the way you get a caret key is you press the shift key and then the number 6 at the same time. You press shift 6 at the same time, and that's how you type your answer in. And if we go back to our original worksheet, we see that number 2, when we completed number 2, the answer was 15x to the 7th minus 5x to the 5th power minus 15x to the 4th power. So when I go back to OverLeaf, I'm going to type that in. I'm going to press your answers. And what you're going to do here is delete the part that says your answer, because that's just a placeholder text, and you're going to type in the answer that you found. So it was 15x to the 7th. So I'm going to type 15, and then you type just the letter x. And then remember, to do the 7th power, you hit shift 6 to make the little caret key. And then we're going to put it to the 7th power. And then if we go back to our worksheet, the next number was minus 5x to the 5th. So I'm going to write minus, I could put a space too, minus 5x, and it's to the 5th power. So I hit shift 6 to the 5th power. And when I go back and see the third number, it says minus 15x to the 4th. So I'm going to put minus 15x, shift 6 to make the exponent key to the 4th power. And then all you do is you hit over here, you hit recompile. And you can see over here now that over here it wrote the answer, 15x to the 7th minus 5x to the 5th minus 15x to the 4th. You have to leave the dollar signs between the numbers. Don't change that. And then once you click out of it, if you click out of it, you can see it just automatically makes it for you. And you could just keep going down and put all of your answers in here. And once you're finished all the way doing that, you click the download PDF button. You click download PDF. And then it says show in folder. So you're going to click show in folder. And you're going to click on John Doe right here. See how it says John Doe? And just keep that open. So I'm just going to minimize this for right now. Just remember that your files are right here in this little file thing. And so what you're going to do is go back to the class, Algebra 9, click on number 82, and then you are going to have to add your work. So you're going to click Add or Create, and you're going to click a file, because you want to upload a file for me to see. And you're going to click Select Files from your device. Once you've clicked Select Files from your device, you're going to click the one you downloaded that's number 082 with your name. It should have your name on there since you put your name. And click Open. And then you're going to click Upload. It's going to take a minute to load. And then you're going to click Turn In. And click Turn In. And then you should be done.